Factoring special polynomials. Let's start with how to factor the difference of squares. This follows the formula a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. Let's do a few examples. For each, factor if it's possible. A, x squared minus 100. Here we have x squared as a squared and 100 as b squared. To factor this, we first find the square root of x squared, which is x, and the square root of 100, which is 10. Then we sub them into the formula a plus b times a minus b to get x plus 10 times x minus 10. B, x squared minus 16. Again, we find the square root of x squared, which is x, and the square root of 16, which is 4. Continue to sub them into the difference of squares formula to reach x plus 4 times x minus 4. C, 2x squared minus 50. For this example, we first have to find the common factor between 2x squared and 50. In this case, it is 2. Simplifying the binomial, we get 2x squared minus 25. From here, we can continue as we did in the previous examples. Knowing that the square root of 25 is 5, we get the answer 2 times x plus 5 times x minus 5. D, 9x squared minus 16y. This example cannot be factored because the variable y is not squared. Next, we'll go through squaring binomials. Here we have two main formulas. A plus b all squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and a minus b all squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Let's try some examples. A, x squared plus 12x plus 36. This follows the layout of the first formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In this equation, x squared is a squared and 36 is b squared. To simplify, we find the square root of x squared and 36 and divide 12x by 2. The last two calculations should give us the same answer, in this case 6, meaning our final answer in a plus b all squared form is x plus 6 all squared. B, x squared plus 18x plus 81. Again, we look for the square roots of x squared and 81, which are x and 9. And sub them into the formula, getting us the answer x plus 9 all squared. In summary, to factor an equation in the form of a squared minus b squared, you must find the difference of squares or put it into the form a plus b times a minus b. And when squaring binomials, the factor form is a plus b all squared for a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and a minus b all squared for a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Always remember to factor.
The rest of the guys, yes, try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics.